Making their way into their U. The Tawaluma for tonight will be done by the advisors of the ILH Party Club. Priscilla Kesi Tiumalu is the founder and advisor of the ILH Party Club. Her family comes from the villages of Moata'a, Fadilima, and Manua. Priscilla would like to dedicate the Siva and this year's ILH Party Club season to her mom, Florida Nino Lifa Maamea Kesi, together with her husband, Kalati, and her son, Siluka. They would like to open their Siva with $500, along with Maria Uta also putting in $500. But at the time of the Siva, the advisors in the ILH Party Club, in the Tassi Leafetala. Opening their Siva, and this is the Tawaluma for the night. So ladies and gentlemen, whatever you have left in your pockets, dig deep, real deep in your pockets, as this will be the final Siva for the evening, done by our advisors of the ILH Polynesian Club. Samia.